Hi, my name is Andre Prokesh. I work for Nestle Professional on the chef brand UK and Ireland. The dish I'm going to cook is Skrei Cod with black garlic, winter greens and king oyster mushrooms. So the ingredients using is all natural stock from chicken. We've got black garlic paste for signature. So to start with, cooking the cod in a pan, a bit of oil. At the same time, we can start cooking the king oysters on a plancha. So this is the celeriac sauce, which is juiced celeriac with some chicken stock, reduced by half. Next step, we add some butter into the pan. Put some thyme in. And paste it so it gets nice and beautiful color. Next stage, put some butter on the king oysters. Bit of a lemon juice. So now the next step is going to be blanching the carbonara. A couple of minutes. It's a bit of a butter. And black garlic. And now we add the carbonara in. So here's some got some lettuce here. Now we're ready to plate. So some black garlic one, fish, and cooked green oysters, some carbonara, and then we've got some lettuce. I'm going to pour the sauce in the middle here now.